Many marketers throw around the term passive income, and most people really don't understand how to make true passive income. Making money while you eat, sleep, poop, and yes, even when you're having sex. Passive income looks like this. You create an automated system once, and it will pay you over and over again until you shut it down or it just doesn't work anymore. Passive income does not happen as a result of clicking a button while sitting on a beach somewhere making piles of dough, although it can turn into that once you build an automated system correctly. These automated systems can be very simple to follow along and build yourself. You could learn them quick and anyone can do it. You don't even need a high school degree. With the proper direction, anyone can do it. We, Debbie Drum and Amy Harrop, have been creating passive income streams in our business for a combined total of over 24 years since 2010. We create thousands of dollars in passive income every single day. We do this by building digital and automated tools we and our customers desperately need to save time and get the job done quicker. We see this as building robots and having robots work for us nonstop without getting tired, without needing breaks, and without even getting sick. After doing some analyzing, it turns out that one of our biggest passive income streams is simple PowerPoint slides that anyone can do. It could be done in any niche. They are proven to generate passive income, plain and simple. And it's not only us. Highly successful marketers are using the exact same system every single day. Slides that look just like what you're seeing right now on the screen. Believe it or not, simple slides can actually make you money, the passive income you are looking for. That's why Amy and I created PresentBOT, our robot buddy who helps you along to create slides you can use and sell for passive income. On this page, you will see all the ways you can make money with PresentBOT. There's presentations, workshops, VSLs, video sales letters for others, repurposing blog content, videos, e-classes, and so much more. Grab PresentBOT today. It's the most powerful tool you will ever need in your business. Be sure to watch the demo on this page.